If you're thinking about switching from Windows to Linux, yeah, this video is literally made for you. Whether you're a complete beginner, a gamer, or just someone who wants a smoother experience, we're comparing Windows and Linux across 7 areas, so you can decide if the switch is actually worth it. So let's jump right in. Cost and ownership. Windows 11 usually comes pre-installed, but buying a separate license can cost between $70 to $200, and the system constantly upsells Microsoft 365 and OneDrive subscriptions. Linux, on the other hand, is completely free and open source. No licenses, no subscriptions, and you can install it on as many devices as you want. Plus, you get much more control over your system, something Windows doesn't really offer. First impression and user experience. Windows has the advantage here because most people are already familiar with it. Linux, however, gives you choices, which can be overwhelming at first. For beginners, it's usually best to start with Linux Mint, because its layout feels familiar if you're coming from Windows. And if you're hesitant, Linux's Live Mode lets you boot it from a USB without touching your Windows installation, a super safe way to test it. Control and privacy. When it comes to control, Windows can feel a bit restrictive. Forced updates, restarts, and heavy telemetry mean your system is constantly tracking activity and pushing ads. Linux flips the script. You decide when updates happen. Restarts are often unnecessary, and there's little to no tracking or bloatware. You're truly in control. Software and productivity. Software is one of the biggest reasons many people stay on Windows. If you depend on Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Office, Excel macros, Photoshop plugins, Premiere Pro workflows, or other professional tools, switching to Linux can become frustrating. Linux does have great alternatives like LibreOffice, GIMP, Kdenlive, and compatibility layers, but they don't always match the same workflow, features, or plugin support. So if your work depends on industry-standard apps every day, Windows is still the safer and more practical choice. Stability, security, and hardware friction. Windows is plug-and-play, but it isn't perfect. Its massive user base makes it a target for malware, and some updates can cause boot loops or hardware issues. Over the last few years, many Windows 11 KB updates have been linked with user reports around failed installs, boot problems, performance bugs, and hardware-related issues. Even Microsoft's own release health pages regularly list known issues for Windows 11 updates. Linux is known for stability. Its modular kernel is trusted by servers worldwide. Security patches are fast, and the system is lightweight. But hardware compatibility can be tricky, especially with Wi-Fi adapters or printers, so always check before switching. Gaming performance. Windows still rules gaming. Steam, Epic Games, and most AAA titles with anti-cheat systems work seamlessly. Linux has improved with Proton, letting many Windows games run surprisingly well, but certain games with strict anti-cheat or proprietary launchers perform better on Windows. Finally, support. If Windows breaks, you can call a repair shop or use official support. Linux doesn't have a hotline. You'll often find yourself in forums, learning terminal commands, and troubleshooting yourself. It's a learning curve, but it's also empowering once you get the hang of it. So, should you switch? If freedom, control, and privacy matter most, Linux is fantastic. But if software compatibility, gaming, or plug-and-play stability are your priorities, Windows might still be the safer bet. If you want more tips and tweaks to optimize your setup, check out the playlist on screen for deeper dives into Linux and Windows performance guides. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.